Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.2 question number 4. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, and AC is equal to 6.5 cm. Let us say draw a rough triangle. Let us draw a rough triangle like this. This is ABC, A, B and C. Here you see BC is 6 cm, BC is 6 cm, AC is 6.5 cm, 6.5 cm and AB is 2.5 cm. AB is 2.5 centimeter, and you have to find the angle of this measure, right? Let us first draw the triangle first. Let us draw the triangle. Let us draw the triangle. The triangle is, first of all, what we do, take a ruler first. We are taking a ruler, and with this ruler we take a line of 6 centimeter BC. Let us draw a line 6 centimeter BC. BC 6 centimeter, that is, here you see this is exactly 6 centimeter and this is BC. The name of this line is BC. Here it is B and this point is C. Right? Now let us take one side AB, that is 2.5 centimeter. With the help of this compass, we will take a length of 2.5 centimeter. With this pointer at 0, we will take this one as 2.5 to 2.4, 2.5. Here you see this is exactly 2.5. And this pointer, we take this pointer at point B, and if we draw an arc here, draw an arc, right? Let us take another line, that is AC 6.5 centimeter. Let us take the pointer here, take this pointer at take this pointer at 0. Again, take this pointer at 0.0. Take this point at 0 and take the measurement 6.5 centimeter. Let us take the measurement 6.5. This is 5, 6, 6.345. Here you see this is 6.5 centimeter exactly, right? Now with this pointer, taking this pointer point at point C, we'll draw another arc. With this pointer at point C, draw another arc here, right? Now with the help of the ruler, join this line. With the help of this ruler, join this line. Let us join. Right? Also join this line also. Now join this line. Right, we join this line here. Right, now we'll name this one, that this name is the name of this point is A. Here you've taken BC as 6 centimeter. You've taken BC as 6 centimeter and AC as 6.5 centimeter. AC as 6.5 centimeter and AB as 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Right, we have to measure the angle B. Right, let us measure angle B with the help of protractor. Right, I'll see here. Now if we measure this angle, we'll find what is the measure. Let us take a compass here, protractor here. Let us take the protractor and measure this angle. Let us measure this angle. Hello friends. Now we will measure this angle, that is angle B, with the help of this protractor. If we take this protractor here, you see that angle B is exactly 90 degree. Therefore, you shall see that angle B is exactly 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. You can also check by Pythagoras theorem also whether the angle is 90 degree or not. Let us know, we know that by Pythagoras theorem, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. We know that perpendicular hypotenuse square, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square plus perpendicular square. Let us find first the left hand side. Left hand side hypotenuse is 6.5. Here it is 6.5. Let us check whether left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. Right, that is 6.5 square, and that comes to 6.5 means 6.5 into 6.5, that is 5 5 25, 2 here, it is 5, 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32, 5 is 30, 3 here, it is 0, 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39, that is 2 5, 9 plus 3 is 12, 3 plus 1 4, that means 42.25. Here it is 42.25. Let us check right hand side. If it is the base, we are checking whether the angle is correct or not. The base is suppose 6 centimeter, that is 6 square, plus perpendicular is 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 square. Here you see 6 means 6 is a 36, 36, and 25 plus 25 is 625, 625, and the point will be here, right? And if we add this one, that 36 plus 6.25, what you are getting, you see, that is 36 plus 6.25, 0.00, or 6.25, 6.25. If we add the numbers, what are you getting? That is 5, that is 2, 6 will carry 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 4, that is 42.25. You are getting 42.25, right? That means here we are getting that left hand side is equal to right hand side, That means what you are getting, you see, that hypotenuse is equal to base is equal plus perpendicular. That means AC is the hypotenuse, therefore this angle must be 90 degree. This angle must be 90 degree. And we have found by measurement also that this is 90 degree. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.